when I make it through the day, I close my eyes and pray again. For my real ones, my real ones, for my real ones, real ones, real ones, for my real ones.
What's up, YouTube? Today we got something major going on. It is time to get started on the stars for my headliner. I'm gonna insert a clip of us taking out the headliner. I'm not gonna show you all that because this is in no way a tutorial video. I don't feel like this is not a tutorial video. I'm just gonna show y'all my process of putting stars in my headliner and how it goes. Shouldn't be that hard, shouldn't take that long. As you can see, I got the Daytona in there. This is just vinyl. I printed it out on vinyl, and if you got vinyl or a Cricut machine, you know how to do this. And we're basically gonna drill holes in this to put the Daytona in the headliner. So I'm gonna do the Daytona design. I'm gonna add like a honeycomb design if it works out for me. I just wanna say, if you like content like this, you wanna see more content like this, hit that subscribe button, because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can get monetized. Pretty close. I think we have like 750. So please just hit the subscribe button. That's not hard. All you gotta do is subscribe. Subscribe for me, subscribe. Hit that like button if you like it. Comment if you got something to say. But leave all that hating shit to yourself. But yeah, basically I was chilling. Got my YouTube up, watching Duke Dennis right now. Watching Duke Dennis. Finna just chill, start poking these holes, and let y'all watch. Alright, so boom. I laid out my honeycomb design. I'm gonna put some double-sided tape on the back of that. And this is gonna be the design that I'm making my stars with. That shit gonna go crazy. The Daytona in there, and then that. And then the rest just gonna be holes with just random stars. Oh yeah, I'm finna go crazy. It's gonna take a lot of time, but hey, I'm gonna knock it out. So the middle of the process, this how we are looking so far. I got my holes for the Daytona already punctured. I realized that the holes was too close right there, so I spaced them out a little bit. It's gonna be a more clean look. I got the holes for my honeycomb. And I took this one up. I'm actually not gonna do the bottom. I don't want that much of lights in the back. That's a lot of lights. I kind of want my focal point to be the Daytona, and then I'm gonna put the rest up there. But yeah, I got this side too. All the holes poked. Right now, a hole count is 655 with just this, and that. 655 holes. That's 655 holes so far. I'm about to go ahead and start poking the rest of them. Really shouldn't take that long, honestly. I don't think it will. I'm gonna tap y'all back in when I'm done. That is you, Mom.
They break. And it's gonna be hard though. I like how it goes with the stripe like that.
Come on,
that's
man.
hard.
Yeah, they can see the vision now. Yeah. Yeah. I was gonna do the back stripe, and I realized I don't want that much attention on the back.
The Daytona is enough on the back.
Exactly. But yeah, we finished now. 1,000 holes, not 1,000 stars here. This is crazy.
That's my
Yeah, circle.
big as hell.
What you talking about?
You don't know. Honeycomb. Stars in the front. Honeycomb.
That's what I'm gonna do.
It's got a little honeycomb in the front. That's gonna be hard.
Under the visor.
Nigga, a little design.
A honeycomb.
Went nuts.
3 days later.
What's up, YouTube? So we are back. My star kit finally came in, and now it is time to install it. This is crazy because I didn't really expect it to be this long. I actually got it where I was trying to have it set up so that I could have enough room to, you know, put the box. I measured how much space I needed, And this goes way past how much space I need, so this is gonna be great. I got all this extra. This is just 500. Let me show you the other 500. Other 500 are currently right here. You know you gotta test it. There we go. We got twinkle, we got auto effects from the phone. 1 second. Auto control is from the phone. Gives you all the colors, twinkles. Turn the twinkle on. Yeah. But yeah, so we finna get this knocked out. Shouldn't take too long. Got somebody coming up to help me. And I'm gonna show y'all the process as we go.
Hey. What you say? Money, cars, cash, refunds. Swear we got them better numbers. Come and get it cheap. Ballin' out the bar, bitch. Come and Derek Jeter. Poppy with this pocket rocket straight torpedo. You could catch me up in traffic. Check my mirrors when I'm sliding. Draco riding shotgun in the front seat. It fit right in. I ain't buy this gun for nothing. Ain't no motherfucking fighting. You can catch this fat hollow tip sitting in my right hand. Smoking 93 with that nigga 93. You need to burn yourself if you think you hot as me. Come in that bitch, that burner tuck strapped to my knee. I put a nigga on the shit bag, I make a nigga bleed. I'm sliding in the jet, finna go pick up the chick. This and nothing less, sitting on the chest. She suck me, I squeeze her breast while I'm smoking on the best. I got it from my west, you feel it all in your chest. I'm smoking the rush, kicking me just like a punt. Get money out through the mud, stunt double, I do the stunts. I get buckets like finger roll, don't run up, I keep a pole. Don't make us have to take a soul, put your body in a hole. No, you know my pockets swole. I up that Glock, and you like whoa. Hit the switch on the glizzy, make it automatic. Come on, playing with that bullshit, we gon' let you have it. Money, cars, cash, refunds. Swear we got them better numbers, come and get it cheap. Ballin' out the bar, bitch, call me Derek Jeter. Poppy with this pocket rocket, straight torpedo. Riding in that Audi with the motherfucking blinds closed. I get so damn high till it's looking like my eyes closed. Baby, suck me gravy till my motherfucking eyes closed. I hit it from the back and make that pussy hit a high note. Water still running and the sun still shining. I still keep that still with me, I still be grinding. Show you what you worth, you only worth a couple diamonds. I stack my money up, I stash it, I go and hide it. Open the car door, there's smoke all inside it. All you smell is that exotic. Got the Drake getting the cute skirt detail. Catch this wave, ride this wave, catch these seashells. Hit the spot, getting neck from my girlfriend. After a long day of trapping and jugging, had to run it back, that last pack was moving. Finger fuck the money, thumb through it grooving. You know my pockets swole. I up that Glock, and you like whoa. Hit the switch on the glizzy, make it automatic. Come on, playing with that bullshit, we gon' let you have it. Money, cars, cash, refunds. Swear we got them better numbers, come and get it cheap. Ballin' out the bar, bitch, call me Derek Jeter.
500
this
stars.
pocket rocket straight to a
We did 500 so far. This is where we sitting at. Still got something to do right here. Feeling the Daytona. Honeycomb done. Finish this honeycomb. It's about 4 hours in right now. That's crazy.
346 minutes later.
Sir, got the headliner back in. This is crazy. This is how I hit it. Amazing. Tap it right to the.
I made the beat, I made it wait, bitch.
We finna be done. This is crazy. This is crazy. We getting faster at this shit. This smoke shit. Good vacuum. This is crazy. Oh my god.
Talking about the charcoal hoodie. All hoodie. Come in all sizes. Strings.
Daytona. Look at the Daytona, bro. Like you sitting in the back. Like you sitting in the back, bro, and you straight see Daytona in the room. You sitting in the back, this motherfucker say Daytona in the room. Bro, this shit is crazy. And if y'all can see, this is, yeah, you can definitely see the pattern better on camera too.
You can definitely see the pattern.
You can see the pattern better on camera, like a motherfucker. Yeah, that's tough. Bars in the roof, bro. What the fuck? Like, you can't even see the Daytona from the front, but like, if you sitting in the back, you see Daytona in the roof. Shit is crazy.
I'm almost done.
This shit is crazy. Oh my god, this shit's so good. Oh my god. You got the phone, Jackson? Get this on my phone too. Good. 2:54, goddamn me. 2:54 in the morning. That's crazy. I had no idea what time it was, really. I ain't looked at that bitch in so long.
In a minute. We done. Last one.
Shit, the last one. Snip the last one. That shit crazy.
This shit is nuts.
Bro, that shit hard as hell.
Change the colors on it.
I got to definitely look through the hole. Yeah. We got. Oh wow. It's so many. The list so damn long.
I made the beat, I made a way, bitch.
It's hella shit. This supposed to be yellow. It's like a green and orange mixtape shit. Exactly. I like the blue.
Shit.
The red, the
Green
and
is
the blue.
crazy.
Money. I love that red. Of course. Red is red.
Man.
Yeah, I can't wait till you play music to this shit.
Too, though.
Boy, this gonna be hard. So my shit can be playing music and shooting stars at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Throw the shooting stars here, shit.
Yeah.
Wow, this shit is crazy.
Wow, what's that?
It's just like they'll change the speed up.
It's
change the
hard.
color.
Whatever. That's talking down, man.
It's like it's twinkling and shit.
Yeah, make it Christmas lights. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my god. Yeah, I need my shit done before Christmas. I ain't gonna hold you.
Gotta get on it. Let's do it.
Yeah, this shit crazy.
It's that time, man.
Bro, this shit is crazy. You finna get her every time. And this motherfucker finna be like this every time.
Yep, pretty much.
Bro, we already don't get used to our car. Like,
And yeah, that's why I say
it
you
don't get old.
You don't need the suede. I ain't got the suede. No.
Exactly. And this shit look amazing.
Nah, that shit look crazy. I'm finna get some footage on my phone right quick.
Nigga, I wanna ride it.
YouTube. I know y'all can't see nothing yet, but let there be light. Oh damn, killed me. Hold on. Let there be light. Yes, sir. I just wanted to give y'all one final look before I end this video. Let me show y'all some of the features. I ain't gonna lie, I was 4 in the morning yesterday, so I don't know exactly how much I showed y'all. I just want to get y'all a brief little, light show. Of course, that's the twinkle effect. There's blue. We got blue. We got rainbow. Rainbow twinkle effect. Y'all see the honeycombs right here? Them came out to look real good. There's also honeycombs right here if you look at it the right way, but it's not gonna be as defined. But that Daytona is glowing like crazy. Show y'all a couple more colors. But yeah, if you in the St. Louis area, or you could be a couple hours away, if you need this done, DM Stars in Your Roof. Stars in Your Roof. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Man, this stuff is crazy. But yeah. And y'all can see me. I just want to say, hit that subscribe button. Stay tapped in. Follow On Ass Lifestyle on Instagram. Daytona On Ass on Instagram. And if you need stars, tap in, man. I got you. I got another kit, and I got a couple more on the way. So, throwing deals. If you send me, if you DM me and say, I need a safe word. If you DM me and say Blue Daytona, you got to DM Stars in Your Roof and say Blue Daytona. And if you get a kit, I'm taking $100 off. That means you came from this video. So yeah, subscribe, stay tapped in, and come get some stars.
Real one is from a real one. Real one, a real one, I'm a